Welcome to our new series, Indian Meal Prep, where we're sharing recipes which are high protein, Indian vegetarian recipes that actually taste good. Today we're going to be sharing our sprouted mug salad. This has a whopping 24 grams of protein per serving. Let's show you how we do it. To get started with, we're going to put our sprouted mug into a bowl, and this is made from about 150 grams of green mug beans. If you don't know how to sprout mug beans, then there are useful guides online to follow, or let us know and we can make a video on this. To this we're going to add 1 tomato which we've diced, along with 1 pepper and half a large cucumber which we've de-seeded and diced. You can also add 1 chilli which we've chopped just to add a little bit of heat. We're then going to add juice of half a lemon along with half a teaspoon of salt and some chaat masala. If you want our recipe for our chaat masala, click on this video and we can show you how to make your own homemade chaat masala. We're then going to give this all a good mix and then add a small bunch of coriander which we've chopped, along with 4 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. Again, mix this really well. And there you have it, sprouted mug bean salad, which is perfect for high protein Indian meal prep. It's got 24 grams of protein per serving.